Hi family, my name is Anika B. Smith. Welcome back to my channel, a place where we talk about faith, life, business, and beauty. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And also like this video before you go. I would really appreciate it. It would really help my channel out so much. In today's video, we will just be doing a updated simple slay routine, and also I'll be showing you guys how I achieve a flawless base with just one tool. Listen, I'm telling y'all, it works. It literally just gets every part of the face like perfectly. It doesn't miss a spot at all. So if you would like to see the one tool that I use to achieve my entire base, foundation, concealer, and setting with just one tool, keep watching this video. So first I'm gonna use this Benefit primer, and then I'm going with another one. But this is the very first primer because I want to focus this right in this area of my face. And I'm going under the eye also. So this is a pore blurring primer, but because I have pretty baggy eyes and also eye crease, I want to focus this under my eyes also. My routine now is so simple that it just makes no sense. Like, I'm laughing because after we do all this, y'all, everything else gonna be like zoop, 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 all done. All right, so next, my favorite part that I still do is color correct. And I'm using this Black Radiance True Complexion HD Corrector. This don't have a color on it, but it's a bunch of numbers. Anyway, it looked like this. So I'm just gonna focus this under my eye. Right here, just in the inner corner. I'm not gonna bring it out too much. I'm gonna just focus it right here. That's where I'm the darkest at. Try to put the same amount. A little hard sometimes, but I try to put the same amount on both sides. And just a little bit right here. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have such bad dark spots. 2 dark spots that used to just sit right here. But I started getting facials, and my esthetician has been taking real good care of my skin. I already have a skincare routine, but going that extra step to get facials done every once in a while really has been helping my skin. If you guys want an updated skincare routine, I might do that too. If that's what you want, please leave it down in the comments if that's what you want. And like this video if you would like to see that. But getting facials has really done wonders for my skin, like wonders. Look my sleeves for this part. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take my finger again and I'm just gonna start blending this out. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, not foundation actually, but my skin tint. So I no longer use foundation. I do not use foundation on my skin anymore. I use skin tint. So to be exact, I use the Fenty Eaze Drop Skin Tint. I use the color 21. This is the color 21 and the color 22, and I mix them. Now I'm gonna just put a couple of stripes on my cheek, down on, this is my left side. Right side, I'm sorry, this is my right side. So how many stripes we got right now? We got 4. Okay, so now we're gonna go 4 on this side too. I'm just squeezing a little bit out and just 1 on the chin. And that's it for now. Then, that's with 21. Now we're gonna go in with 22. Hold on, let me get my mirror out because I can't really see that well. Now we're gonna go in with 22 and just 1 right in the middle. That's it. A little bit on the chin. And you know what? I'm gonna go down here too a little bit because it's darker down in this area, so I just want that. Now, this is literally the only tool I will be using to complete the rest of my base. So to blend the rest of this out, to do my concealer, and to set, I'm going to use this one tool. And that tool is this. Yep. This little cosmetic makeup wedge is about to blend out my entire base. Watch. Y'all look. Look. This little cosmetic wedge did it, okay? Understood the assignment and got the assignment done. Let me finish. So now we're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm gonna go in and use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chai. And I'm going to place this right here. I'm just kind of keeping this right here, just making a, well, I thought it was a triangle, but it's not. It's more like a, I don't know, it's a blob. We're just gonna put a blob right there. Then I'm gonna bring this down my nose, a little bit on the forehead, right here, and right there. That's it. I'm then gonna go back in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C12.5. And I'm just gonna go right in the very inner corner, very close to the bridge of my nose with this on both sides, just to make it a little bit brighter in that area. And now, you guessed it, I'm about to take this same sponge, the same one that I use to do my foundation or my skin tint, and I'm just gonna start blending this out. Let me hurry up and blend, because let me tell y'all something. One thing about this Too Faced concealer, oh, it's gonna dry down with or without you. Either you're ready or you're not. Either way, it's gonna dry down. So let me go ahead and take this and do here and go like that. Just blend out this product on my nose. I want to blend it out. I want it to kind of cover my whole nose. All right, and we are all blended. So now I'm about to set, and I'm gonna take another sponge. This is the one that I just got done using to apply my foundation and my concealer. And now I'm going to take another one and I'm going to use this to set. So this is what I do. I tap it in to my powder, translucent powder. By the way, this is the Mercier, right? Yeah, this is the Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. So I go in there, get it in there, a good amount, and then I just scrape off the excess, so it's not too much. Just want to blend out any product under the eye because, like I said, I do have lines and creases. And then I'm not going right under my eye. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the product and I'm going to walk it up my cheek, under my eye. And that's how I'm going to set this. Look, look, look. Go to your local beauty supply store, buy all of them. Buy every bag that they got up in there. Go to your local Rite Aid, your local drugstore, CVS, wherever it is. Buy all the bags that they got in there. Like, do you see? Look at the difference. Okay, unset, just you know, doing the thing. And look at that. Child, listen. So now we going in. Let me just show y'all a little bit better. So I'm going in, I'm tapping on the setting powder. Okay, so here's where we are. That's a lot. I'm going to scrape it off. Well, that kind of looks the same, but product did come off. That's how much I scraped off. And this is what we're left with. And then I'm going to start right here, right at my nostril, and I'm going to walk it up to my eye, keep it under my eye, walk it out to the outer V of my eye, and then just place the rest all on my cheek, everywhere I concealed. I personally can't bake. Since my skin is more normal and it gets dry sometimes, baking would just create so much caked up makeup under my eyes, patchy, blottiness, so I personally don't bake. But if baking works for you because you have oily skin or combination skin that's more on the oily side, then go ahead and bake your life away, sis. I'm not stopping you from doing it. But for me, since I have normal to dry skin, and it will be more dry than it would be oily, I don't bake, I just set. Alrighty guys, and the base is finished, finito. That's it. This is the base. Foundation, concealer, and look how nice. I love the way it came out. It came out really good today, and I'm so glad about it because I would have hated for my makeup not to come out right. And I'm sitting here doing a daggone tutorial. I'd have been pissed. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution, or excuse me, Revolution Beauty. I'm going to take this bronzer in the color, this is the wrong color. I'm going to take this bronzer in the color Deep. Ooh, child, I didn't know it was looking like that. I'm going to take this glow bronzer in the color Deep. And I'm going to take this Morphe E8 detailed contour brush. And I'm just going to pack a little bit of that product onto the brush. I'm going to tap it off on the mirror, and then I'm going to actually tap the actual brush on the mirror, and then I'm just going to take it right in the natural contours of my cheek on both sides. Tap a little bit more, tap it off right where, right there. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Deep again, and I'm just going to go right under my chin. Because the thing is that I didn't drag any of the Skin Tint foundation onto my neck, which I don't want to because I want it to look natural, you know. I'm gonna just go right along the sides of my nose. And right up in, sweeping it like in the crease and on the lid, really just to get some of the product off so it's not such a harsh contour. And just up and down motions, sweeping it on the lid and on the sides of my nose and right at the very point of my nose. I'm going to take the same Revolution Beauty bronzer. This is in the color medium. Now I'm just gonna bronze up the face. Just bronze it up. And then I'm gonna take this Black Radiance, this is old, Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. Add to the bronzer, same brush. Oh, I'm sorry, and this is a Morphe M581 contour brush, I think that's what it is. I'm gonna take my favorite Morphe highlighter in the color Spark, and I'm gonna take Oldie But Goodie, little fan brush, and I'm just gonna kind of sweep it a little bit because I don't want a lot. And I'm just going to Sweep it right over top of my cheek. Down the bridge of my nose. Ball of my nose. And also right over the top of my lip. And now I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash, Lots of Lash mascara and brownish black. Another oldie but goodie that's been out for years. I'm going to do my new favorite lip combo, which is a few things. So this right here was a gift. This is, I think, like a Wet n Wild lip and eyeliner pencil in a really, really like dark brown. This was a gift. I had this for like 3 years and it was a gift. I don't even see it in like the drugstores or anything like that anymore. It might be in there, but I haven't seen it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do when it's done. But this is the first liner I'm going over with. And then I'm going to take this NYX pencil. This is a matte lip liner. This is in the color Club Hopper. It's another like deep brown, but not as dark as the first one. And I'm just going to go right under that. I'm going to take my new favorite, Morphe liquid lipstick. This is in the color Sweet Tea. Alrighty guys, and this is the finished look. This is the completed look. And what I didn't show, what I didn't get a chance to show because my camera was dying, was I just sprayed my face. That was it. I sprayed my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, I think. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the one I used, the Continuous Setting Mist. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. I guess this is just the original one. They also have one that comes in a white can, and I guess that one is more, I think that one is more for if you want a dewy, glowy kind of finish. This is just all purpose. And this is the one I get all the time because I don't like to be shiny. So this is the finished look. And we're just going to get a quick pan of the face. Alrighty guys, and that is it for my updated Simple Slay routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed recording it for you all. Before you exit this video, please be sure to check the description box for all the items that I used. Also, any links, if I can, I will link down in the description box also where you can purchase. Please just always remember, if you have an idea on your heart and on your mind that is a lasting thought, then it should probably be a thing. Until next time, guys, I love you. Bye-bye.